One day, Percy decided to pull some coaches. I feel like pulling coaches today. Oh, Annie, don't you think it's a great go? After Percy collected his coaches, he set off.
So you're not gonna scroll by without saying,
Your ass is ass and I'm the grass man, punk. Your
I swear to God, if there's any engines on my line again, oh my God. To pass this lump, you see, you must answer to me, Billy, and now you After a long hard day of pushing engines off the line, Percy was tired. I am not doing this again.